Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'll be doing something a little bit different. So I was shopping for hair online and I went a little bit crazy, so I figured I'll just do a small hair haul video and share that with you guys. I've been kind of crochet obsessed. Like I said, I went a little crazy online. This is the package. I got all of them from one place, from I think it's ebonyline.com. I'll leave it linked down below if you want to check it out. So I basically bought this hair during, like, you know, the Boxing Day sale, and it was a little bit cheaper, but I checked the website, it's actually still the same price, so good for you, I guess. Oh my gosh. I actually opened the box, but I didn't open anything because I was just in a rush when I got it. Oh, yes. The gym is paying off. Okay, so I got I think 5 different types of crochet hair, but like it's like the same brand. I just wanted to do like the whole series of that brand. So this is the invoice, and I spent $68.82 US dollars, and plus shipping was $4.99. So in total I spent around $74. Okay, so I guess I'll just start. So I got 5 different kinds of hair from Zury. Like I really wanted to try the Zury collection, the V8910 collection. I think it's called 8910, V8910. I don't know if that's how people say it, V8910 or V8910. It just basically means that it comes in 8 inches, 9 inches, and 10 inches. And the reason I actually wanted to try this hair, it's because they say that 1 pack is enough, and that's like, 1 pack is enough, and it was only $10 US dollars. So I'm just like, it's a win. Ah, my god. So only $10, and it's supposed to fit your whole head. I have not tried any of them to see if they fit, but I've watched some tutorials and people say that they do fit. So I'm really curious to try it, and I really cannot wait. So I'll be doing like a 2-month crochet series where I'll be uploading a crochet video every week. So make sure you tune in for that. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Yeah, but let me open this. So this one is the Bohemian Curl, and I got it in color number 30. Okay, I'm just going to open it to show you the hair and to actually see the hair myself. Okay, so it comes in a mesh cup like that. Oopsies. And that's basically how the hair looks like. Okay, put this on the side here. So the hair looks like this. Like the curl pattern is really great. Okay. So next week on Thursday, I'll definitely upload a crochet video, so make sure you check that out. So this one is the Bohemian Curl color number 30. As you can see at the back of the package here, they have different styles. I didn't get all of them, but I got some of them. Okay, so this is another one. It's also again the 8910. Like I'm just getting that series. And this is the Congo curl. I'm from Congo, by the way. And this is in color 1BF30. And this is basically how the curl looks like. I'm just going to open it and show you. Okay, yeah, so it's definitely a larger curl. So this is the curl pattern for this hair. Can't wait to try it. The texture feels actually kind of okay. A little bit roughish. It's sort of like Kanako-line hair, is it? I think it should be. I don't know. I don't see it made anywhere here. I mean, I don't see the type of hair they used here on the package. But it feels nice, actually. It feels nice. It feels a little bit rough, but not rough in a way where it would rub on your face. I really don't like hair in my face, despite this. By the way, this is a crochet wig that I made. If you have not checked it out, make sure you do. I'll leave it linked down below. Down. I leave it linked down below, so check it out if you're interested. I really love creating this style, which actually got me a little crochet obsessed. So the next hair that I got is still in the same line. This is the Go-Go curl. So that one, the larger curl was the Congo curl, and this is the Go-Go curl. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so actually this one also comes in a mesh, like the first one. Okay, I keep dropping stuff. So it basically has, I think, 1, 2, 3 bundles in them, and I'm guessing it's like the different lengths. If you want to see like the hair completely open, you'll definitely see them in the crochet video when I make them. I just don't want to like completely remove them from the package and ruin the hair before I put it on my head. So I just want to show you the curl here. Okay, I'll just rip the mesh. Okay, so this is the curl pattern for the Go-Go curl. Probably right there. The Go-Go curl looks like that. I think it's very beautiful. So far I like the Go-Go curl, and I like the first one that I showed you, only because like I like smaller curls than bigger curls, but we shall see how they all turn out once I do them. Okay, and the fourth one, also a larger curl, I'm assuming from the large pack. Okay, so this is the Wonder curl. I'll leave the names somewhere there so you can see, because like I'm sure I am probably not pronouncing them right, but don't come for me. So actually I am so excited to try this. I'm probably going to make a wig of this one first, only because I want to try the color. I have never tried rose colored hair. Oh my god, I don't know how it's going to turn out, that's why I want to try it, but that's pretty much how it looks like in the package. And as you can see, it is pinkish, and that's how it looks like. That's the curl pattern. It is pinkish, and I really, really want to try it. I don't even know if it's going to go with my skin tone, but you have to try it to know. I don't know. So the reason I've actually been thinking of making crochet wigs instead of like crocheting it on my head is just that I change my hairstyles so much, and if I crochet wigs, then I'll have to take it out in like a week or something, because I have to make another YouTube video, and I don't want to waste it like that. I mean, I spent my own money. My own money, my own coin. I don't want it to go to waste, so I just want to make a wig. Like I'm going to make wigs of them, and even if I don't use them, at least I can give them to someone, and it's not a complete waste. So yeah, my mom already booked one. I don't know which one she'll want, probably the black one, knowing her. Okay, so the fifth one, so this is like the last one, and I also got a wig that I want to show you guys. So this is also another like color that I absolutely love. Like I love burgundy, like hair color. Burgundy. People. English is my second language, just leave me alone. Okay, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Like look at that color. Look at it. Oh, isn't this to die for? Just completely. Like if I could, I'd get all my hair like in this color. But then like, you know, like since I'm making videos, I want to show like a little versatility in my videos. But if I could, you'd only see this colored hair. I don't know. I usually feel so weird wearing like colored hair that is not black hair, but I absolutely love this. I'll probably be uncomfortable the whole time I'm wearing it, but maybe I'll be brave this time and just rock it. Oh, I love it. It's so beautiful. Let me show you the curl pattern. Okay. Oh, so this is actually the rod set curl, and this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. Okay, you know what, I'll do this one first. I'll do this one first only because I think it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous, but I'll do this one first for sure. So on Thursday I'm going to upload a crochet hair video for this beautiful hair, so make sure you tune in for that. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. And the last one, I got this wig. So this is the Rainmaker wig. Like I've seen a few people on Instagram wearing it, and I was just like, it looks amazing. Look at it. It looks amazing, doesn't it? And there's actually some hairstyles that I wanted to create, like sort of like wedding updos, and I felt like I needed longer hair, and I thought this would be perfect for it. So I bought it. I'm going to open it and show it to you guys. Okay, so it basically comes with that package thing, and I guess it says that it is like the special colors it's available in. I'm sure it's available in like number 1, number 2, number 4, but then it says like the special colors it's also available in is 99J, 1B30, 1B Burgundy, and F30. So I really wanted to get the 1B, but the website was sold out on the 1B, and I checked other websites and it was more expensive, so I was like, yeah, I'm going to buy it on Ebony Line. I'm actually going to leave the price somewhere on the screen because I know I have not been saying the price for the hair that I bought. Okay, just give me a moment. I don't want to rip it, so I need to get a pair of scissors. So it pretty much looks like, you know when you blow dry your hair? I don't want to say it's when you straighten your hair, because I feel like when I blow dry my hair, if I was to try and curl it, would look like this. As you can see, the bottom has curls on it. I feel like I want to try it. You know what? I'm going to try it and see how it looks like. But I probably need like some leave out for this, which I do not have. At the moment, my hair is in my ever famous little twists that I have almost all the time. I don't know. I just find them so convenient when I go to the gym. But let's see if I can do it without any leave out. Okay, so it has a comb here at the front, and it has a comb on the back, and it has this little elastic thingies. I guess just to make it tighter. You can actually adjust it just by a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but you can adjust it a little bit on that side, and I guess on this side as well. Okay, I want to try this. I love this moment, you know, when I take off a wig in a video and I'm like, yeah. If I could, I'd watch this kind of videos forever on Instagram. I just find them so funny. So I like that I'm doing it too. Are you surprised? It's like, hello babe, and then, hello. I'm so stupid. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm just going to try and do it without any leave out and see if it works out. Oh, my head is probably too big. Okay, I'll bring a mirror so I can see how it looks like. Oh. Okay, so right now it looks very wiggy. Like, look at the front. It's just like, yeah, it's a wig, sis. It's a wig. And I want to try and pull it on the side a little bit just so it can fit my head better. But keep in mind that they say it's a half wig, so it's not supposed to fit your head completely. Let's see. Even when I move it back, I still feel like it looks very wiggy. Maybe if you play with the hair, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, so it definitely still feels too wiggy for me at the front. Maybe I'll finger comb it a little bit. You know what? It doesn't look too bad. Like, if I play with it a little bit more, I think I can achieve the style that I want. I love the volume of it. Like, it doesn't make your hair look dead. So you know what? I'll play with it and then come up with a few styles and upload it for you guys in the near future. But it doesn't look that bad. Like, honestly, it's not that bad. Probably if I have like a little bit of leave-out, it would look a little bit more natural, and then maybe a little bit. It's not like it's a lace wig or something like that. But yeah, but I like it. It feels really nice actually, and it does not seem to be getting tangled. You know how I ride my finger? Yeah, it doesn't seem to be getting tangled. I like it. I like it. I'll probably like it more once I play more with it and make a few styling hair videos for you guys. So yeah, make sure you get tuned in for that as well. But yeah, so this is it for my little haul video. I'm probably going to do another haul video because I went crazy for Boxing Day sale, and I bought a few like clothing stuff from some online websites that I've never shopped from before, so I'll probably share that haul as well. I just want to share those things with you guys. So after this I'll try to film the clothing haul and I'll upload it as well, but today I'll be uploading this, and then next week on Thursday I'm going to upload a crochet video of this beautiful hair. It's so beautiful. So it's the rod set in color Somme Burgundy or Burgundy, don't come for me, however you pronounce it, it's cool, but that's the one I'll be doing. So if you've stuck through the whole time, you're awesome, you're fabulous. And if you're not subscribed, you know you want to just subscribe, press that button. But thanks for coming by the channel, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I see you next time. If you have any video recommendations, leave them in the description, leave them in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like the video as well. Have a nice week, and I hope I see you soon on Thursday. Okay, bye.